power to set prices, limit competition, and influence the choice available to consumers. Defining a monopoly, characteristic and market dominance. One single supplier. Monopolies are the sole provider of a good or service in a given market. 2. High barriers to entry. Monopolies erect significant obstacles that prevent new competitors from entering the market. 3. Pricing power. Monopolies have the ability to set prices and manipulate supply to maximize profits. Historical context. The rise of monopolies in the 20th century, early 20th century, rapid industrialization and technological advancement led to the emergence of large corporations and conglomerates. Late 20th century, the rise of globalization and the digital economy has led to the dominance of tech giants, raising new challenges. Mid-20th century, antitrust legislation such as the Sherman Act aimed to curb the power of monopolies and promote competition. Monopolistic practices, tactics to maintain market dominance, predatory pricing. Monopolies may undercut prices to drive competitors and maintain their dominance. Merger and acquisitions. Monopolies can acquire or merge with potential competitors to eliminate them from the market. Vertical integrations. Monopolies can control the entire supply chains, limiting access to resources and distribution channels. Regulatory approaches, antitrust laws and enforcement. Antitrust legislation, laws such as the Sherman Actions, Clayton Actions, and Federal Trade Commission action aim to prevent and regulate monopolistic practices. Enforcement agencies like the Department of Justice and the Federal Trade Commission are responsible for investigating and enforcing antitrust laws, remedies, and penalties. Regulators can impose fines, order divestitures, and even break up monopolies to restore competition. Consumer impact, prices, innovations, and choice. Pricing power. Monopolies can share higher prices and reduce consumer choice, leading to economy inefficiencies, innovation stifling, monopolies may lack the incentive to innovative as they face limited competition and can maintain their dominance. Reduced choice. Consumers in a monopolistic market have fewer options and may be forced to accept the monopolist's terms. Case study: the Standard Oil monopoly and the Rockefeller Empire. Vertical integration: Standard Oil controlled the entire oil industry from extraction to distribution, cementing its market dominance. Predatory pricing: the company engaged in predatory pricing tested to drive out competitors and maintain its monopoly. Antitrust action: the Standard Oil Trust was eventually broken up under the Sherman Antitrust Act. Monopolies in the digital age. Technology gains and competition. Google dominant in online search, advertising, and cloud computing. Amazon control a significant portions of the commerce and cloud computing markets. Facebook owns multiple social media platforms and messaging apps with a large user base. Pros and cons of monopolies: economic and social implications. Potential benefits: economies of scale, efficient research allocation, and the ability to invest in long-term projects. Drawbacks: higher prices, reduced innovation, limited consumer choice, and the potential for abuse of market power. The future of monopolies: challenge and potential reforms. 1. Regulatory scrutiny: increased focus on antitrust enforcement and the need to adapt regulations to the digital economy. Breakup proposals calls for splitting up large-stage companies to promote competition and limit their market dominance. Emerging alternatives: exploration of new economy models such as platform cooperatives to provide alternatives to monopolistic structures. Okay, that's all my explanation. Thank you very much.